How to get the AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about getting your AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. So to obtain your AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN, for porting your phone number or making the significant account changes, follow the steps. First of all, you have to call the AirTalk Wireless support, and the quickest way to get your account number and the PIN is by calling your customer service at 1-855-924-7825. You can request your account number. Once you're connected with the support representative, kindly ask for your account number. And if you need a PIN for porting your number or making any changes, also ask the representative for your PIN. You can also verify your information. Make sure that the account number and the PIN given by the support person are correct. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to call the AirTalk Wireless again for the confirmation. Remember that your AirTalk Wireless account number is a unique identifier linked to your wireless account, and it is same as your SIM card number. The PIN is a 4-digit security code using for porting your number or modifying your account details. So this was all about it. This is how you can get the AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.